My name is Darshik Niser. I'm from Arihant Machinery. I'm the proprietor of the company. We deal in all auxiliaries of injection molding machines like linear scale, drives, hopper dryer, loader, mixer, grinder. We are into this industry since last 10 years and we have been serving all over India. And right now we are participating in HIPLEX 2023 and it has been a wonderful experience. So yesterday was a very good start. We expected, a number of people more. Eventually the customers also very genuine. Fake inquiries were very less. And today the response has been much better than yesterday. And we are expected, more number of crowds over the weekend. Thank you.